Hi, this is Rich Coles from Productive. The aim of this video is to give a couple of options for whether to use percentage complete for tracking progress or actually have a simpler version which is not started, in progress and complete. Some people don't really care about what the percentage is done, it's just want to know, has it started? Has it finished? Yes, no? And make it really easy for team members. So this option enables you to do that. So let's have a look. In our standard schedules, we use the percentage complete, and you can see if I've got 5% complete, it says it's in progress. If I've got 75% complete, it's in progress. And if I've got 100% complete, it changes to complete. And this is because we've got a formula here, which is working out relative to the percentage completion here. But other people go, Rich, I really don't care. So here's an alternative version. And the reason for this alternative version, I've called it Kanban version, is it means you can also use the board view and drag and drop progress as well, which you can't do if you've got the formula which we've got set up in the other way. So in this case, I've got the percentage complete column. Actually, this is a locked column, which most users wouldn't be able to use. Now, if I've got not started, I've changed this instead from a formula to be not started, in progress and complete. So someone can just say, well, I've started that task now, it's now in progress. And what's going to happen is an automation will run in the background, and it's going to change this from 0% to be 50%. And you will see this will update itself in a moment, waiting for that automation to trigger. So I'm going to move this one to be in progress. There we go. And you can see in progress has started and it's gone to 50% complete. And this one will also change in a moment. I'm going to change this one to be complete now. And as I do that, you'll see this one's gone to in progress, it says 50%, and this one will refresh as well in a moment and be 100% complete. How am I doing this? I'm using automations. So I've got a couple of automations created on here, which is if a task is set to in progress, all I want it to do is to change the value on percentage complete to be 50%. When the progress changes to complete, change the cell value to be 100% complete. And it's as simple as that. There are certain things to be aware of, because as this is a roll-up, a parent column, I can't actually change this because it's the parent row. So what you need to do is only get the automations running on these cells, and you're ignoring the progress up at the top. But this is really useful because it enables me now to go to the board view or card view if you use that still. And in here, I can now drag and drop items to say, well, post the job advert. Well, actually, that is now complete, and schedule the interviews. I'm now going to do that one as well. So that is completed. Let's just go to the fields and turn on the percentage. Here we go. You can see that's moved to 50%. So let's just say that has been done. That will now move to 100% in a moment, and we're going to conduct the interviews, and that will change as well. So you can see that's updated to 100% and there, and that's changed to 50%. So this is possible if you've got it changed into a basically not started, in progress, complete view. Just going back to this previous view of when I've got the percentage, and this is a column formula, I can't use the board view on here. So you'll notice if I try and drag it across and I say not started, in progress, complete, if I try and drag it, it won't let me drag it. Reason being because of that column formula. So this really useful way, if that's going to make things easier for you, great. Go and add in your automations. Off you go. That's another way of tracking if something is in progress, not started, or complete. All about making things easier for people. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.